ଆମେ यूनिट 10 ରେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ସବୁ definition, meaning of business. We will go to unit 2. In this unit, mainly we will see the organization. Organization କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର, କଣ କଣ organization. ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ପଢିବା unit 2 ରେ. These are the syllabus, the course content in second unit. Definition part, meaning part, then characteristics of an ideal form of business organization. The business, what are the different form of business organization? We'll understand that. Primarily, what are the forms you have in the syllabus is given in that there. Merits and demerits, what are the form of organization and their merits and demerits, characteristics, what are the different types of partners, partnership deed कौन होची, partnership deed भी हम काम करेगा, what are the meaning of partnership deed, partnership form कितने reserve हुए, we'll talk about that. These are all there in unit 2. We understood the meaning of business. Here in one slide is given the same thing what we studied, the meaning of business and different forms of business. This is what you know more or less. Suppose तमरा गोटे छोटा business अछि, तमे निजे बुझुछ, निजर दुकान अछि, then you are considering it as a sole proprietorship. निजे ओनर, निजे मालिक, निजे पैसा खर्च करछ, निजे सब करछ, then that means that is a sole proprietorship business. If partners are there, if more than one person is joining in the organization, whatever the money they spend, so that is partnership business. So there are different forms of business: cooperation, cooperative business, limited liability company, big company. So in the course, you have the partnership business and the sole proprietorship business. We'll talk some point on those things. Those two are in your syllabus: sole proprietorship and partnership. One thing is very easy to understand: sole proprietorship means one man army. So you are investing, you are doing your business by yourself, you are doing everything. Purchase କରୁଛ ତମେ, ବିକୁଛ ତମେ, କ୍ଷତି ହେଲେ ତମର, ଲାଭ ହେଲେ ତମର. That is sole proprietorship. So you are everything in that business. You invested, you started, you are the founder. ତମେ ନିଜେ ମାଲିକ, ତମର କ୍ଷତି ହେଲେ ଲାଭ ହେଲେ ଭଲ, ତମେ କିଣୁଛ, ତମେ ବିକୁଛ. You are managing everything. That is sole proprietorship. Partnership ତମେ ଯୋଉଠି ମିଶିକି କରୁଛ, ପାର୍ଟନର ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶିକି କରୁଛ, that is partnership business. We'll understand these two things which are in your syllabus. A sole proprietorship, also known as the sole tradership. That means the same individual is doing the trading. Individual entrepreneurship or the proprietorship. So it has other name in other people are telling differently: sole tradership, sole proprietorship, entrepreneurship, or proprietorship is a type of enterprise owned and run by one person and in which there is no legal distortion. So only one person is running the entire business. There is no distinction between the owner and business. So owner ଆଉ ଯେ business run କରୁଛି ସିଏ ଆଉ business ଭିତରେ କିଛି difference ନାହିଁ. There is no distinction between the owner and business. That means it is one. So whoever is doing the business is doing everything. That is sole proprietorship. He is the owner of the business. He is selling, purchasing, buying, everything he is doing in the business. Only one person, one individual. And there is no difference between the business and owner. Owner means business, business means owner. These are one entity. That is called sole proprietorship. That is one important form of business. Example of sole proprietorship: people, plumber, electrician, gardener, they are individual. They are doing their business. Freelance workers, one person is doing something from home. Freelance, anything. Freelance workers, graphical designer, web designer, photographer, artist, independent contractor, tutor, food delivery drivers, couriers. Suppose ତମେ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ business ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲ, ଘରେ ଗଲ, you are doing everything. That means that is sole proprietorship. You are home, you are delivering, you are purchasing the raw material, making the final product, delivering the customer, taking the order. So one person is doing everything. That is sole proprietorship. The features of sole proprietorship form of organization are ornamental. So these are the features, important features of this form of organization, sole proprietorship. Single ownership. This is one feature. One person can own the entire thing. Personal organization are common identity. So the company, and as I told you sometime back, the company and the organization are not no way different. They are same. The same company and the organization. So there is no difference. There is a common identity, capital. If one person is doing, one person is investing the money, so you don't need to depend on anyone. Whatever money you have, you are putting in the business. So capital is from you. Unlimited liability. One man control. Profit and losses. No special legislation. What are this? These are the different features of profit and loss. Means uh, if profit is there, you are enjoying. If loss is there, also you are enjoying. So that means you are responsible for all these things. One man control. You are controlling everything. Unlimited liability. There is no liability. You don't have to give anyone. So this business liability is your liability. Capital. You are spending everything from your pocket. So you don't have to depend on anyone. No special legislation. In that case, what you understand, no special legislation, you are not. So there is no legal terms separately on the business. So you are projecting the business as your own. You are talking, you are working on behalf of the business. So you are one of them, you are part of the business. So there is no separate entity for legislation. So business and you are same. So these are the features, these are the quality, or these are the characteristics of sole proprietorship. Merits and demerits of sole proprietorship. What are the merits? The same thing what we discussed. You can derive the merits and demerits from there. Suppose in sole proprietorship you are the only one person, so your capital will be limited. You whatever money you have, you can spend that. If there are partnership business, if there you can pull the money from many people, so you can invest more. Cost like your profitability, your loss. So if there is loss in the business, you are you have to digest entire loss from your own because you are responsible. No one is there in the business. If there is a partnership business, if there are multiple people responsible, so in case of loss, so it will be shared between the people. You don't need to alone bear the loss. You have to share the loss. It happens in any case. Similarly, control. You have one control. One person is controlling everything. That that has advantages. That has disadvantages. Advantages is it's very quick to make a decision because your business you can do whatever you want. At the same time, if it is your business, if you take a wrong decision, you cannot blame anyone. If there are two, three people putting the hands, putting the brain, then you will take a wise decision. Your work will be better. ଜଣେ ଲୋକ କାମ କରିବା ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଦି ଜଣ ଲୋକ କାମ କରିବା ବେଟର ସବୁବେଳେ ତେଣୁ so sole proprietorship has same thing, same quality, control of business. So it has merits, it has demerits. Then we'll understand what is partnership. A partnership is a kind of business where a formal agreement between two or more people is made who agree to be the co-owner distributes responsibility for running an organization and share the income or losses that the business generates. So there is an agreement between multiple partners who are sharing the business profit and loss, business income, and the roles and responsibilities. Suppose ତମର ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ସହିତ ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ୍ ଅଛି ତମ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି କିଏ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେଲା କିଏ କ'ଣ କରିବ ତମେ ସପୋଜ ପୁରା ସେଲ୍ସ ବୁଝିବ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ବୁଝିବ ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ବୁଝିବ ସିଏ ତାର ବିକିବ କଷ୍ଟମର ସାଇଡ୍ ସେ ବୁଝିବ ଏଭଳିଆ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବା ତମ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ତମ ପାର୍ଟନରଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ and whatever profit is coming in the business, how will share, how will distribute. Suppose ତମେ ବେଶୀ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଛ ତେଣୁ you will take more profit. If you have less money invested, you will take less profit. These are examples. So based on that, you can understand what are the agreement. First thing you have to make one agreement between the partners. So that agreement consists of those things. How the work will distribute, how the money will be shared. Primarily these two things. The main characteristics of partners. What are the main characteristics of partners? So when you have a profit, when you have a loss, you have to share between partners. Sharing of profit and loss. This is one characteristic. Mutual agency, unlimited liability, lawful business, contractual relationship. These are the different characteristics. Mutual agency, there are different agencies who are responsible for your farm. It could be government agency, it could be local agency, which are mutually agreed between all the partners. Unlimited liabilities, lawful business, contractual relationship. These are the different characteristics of partnership farm. When you have a partner in your business, you have different contract with them, you have proper contract signed, proper agreement between the partners. So that is why it is saying contractual relationship. When you are relating to a partner yourself, having a contract between the person, between the other partner, that is contractual relationship. Types of partnership deal. We'll understand what are the types of partner, and this unit we don't have many things. We'll understand types of partner. We'll take a quick break. Then we'll understand. Then another class will remaining things. How partnership farm will dissolve. We'll understand the dissolve part and what is the partnership deed, how the what is the content of agreement, how the partnership deed looks like. We'll read all these things in another class. So today we'll take a quick break. We'll join in the same link after 5 minutes. Then we'll understand. We'll discuss what are the different types of partners.